There's something truly special about the transformation vegetables undergo in a hot oven. Roasting brings out their natural sweetness and concentrates their flavors in a way that other cooking methods simply can't match. From humble broccoli florets to vibrant bell peppers, roasting unlocks a depth of flavor that will have you craving veggies with every meal. What's more, roasting requires minimal effort. Simply toss your chosen vegetables in a little oil and seasoning, spread them out on a baking sheet, and let the oven work its magic. While the vegetables roast, you're free to focus on other tasks, making it a perfect cooking method for busy weeknights or leisurely weekend meals. But the beauty of roasting goes beyond just taste and convenience. It also offers a fantastic way to boost your intake of essential vitamins and minerals. Roasting vegetables helps retain their nutrients, ensuring you get the most out of every bite. So not only will your taste buds thank you, but your body will too. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or just starting your culinary journey, mastering the art of roasting vegetables is a game changer. It's a simple yet incredibly rewarding technique that will elevate your cooking and have you enjoying vegetables like never before. For more interesting facts and tips, make sure to subscribe to the Green channel. Happy roasting! The key to unlocking the full potential of roasted vegetables lies in understanding the role of heat. When vegetables are roasted at a high temperature, something magical happens. Their natural sugars begin to caramelize. This caramelization process is what creates those beautiful golden brown edges and that irresistible depth of flavor. Aim for an oven temperature around 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius to achieve the best results. This temperature provides the perfect balance of heat to cook the vegetables through, while also encouraging caramelization. Don't be afraid to crank up the heat and let your vegetables get nice and toasty. But the benefits of high heat roasting go beyond just flavor. The intense heat also helps to create different textures within the vegetables. The outer edges become slightly crispy and caramelized, while the insides remain tender and juicy, offering a delightful contrast in every bite. Remember, the goal is to achieve that perfect balance of tenderness and caramelization. So, keep a close eye on your vegetables as they roast and adjust the cooking time as needed based on their size and density. Not all vegetables are created equal when it comes to roasting time. Some, like tender asparagus spears and zucchini slices, cook much faster than denser vegetables like carrots and potatoes. To ensure that all your vegetables are cooked to perfection, it's essential to group them strategically on your baking sheet. Start by considering the density and size of your chosen vegetables. Vegetables with similar cooking times, such as broccoli florets and cauliflower florets, can be roasted together. On the other hand, if you're roasting a mix of vegetables with varying cooking times, you'll need to adjust their placement on the baking sheet or add them to the oven at different intervals. For example, if you're roasting root vegetables like potatoes and carrots alongside quicker cooking vegetables like broccoli and asparagus, start by roasting the root vegetables for about 20 minutes before adding the broccoli and asparagus to the baking sheet. This will ensure that all the vegetables are cooked evenly and none are overcooked. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for your oven and your preferred level of doneness. The more you roast vegetables, the more intuitive it will become to group them effectively for optimal results. While the high heat of roasting works wonders in bringing out the natural sweetness of vegetables, don't underestimate the power of a few simple seasonings to elevate their flavor even further. A drizzle of good quality olive oil, a sprinkle of herbs, and a dash of spices can transform your roasted vegetables from simple to sensational. Start with a generous drizzle of olive oil. Not only does olive oil help to prevent sticking, but it also helps to conduct heat more evenly, ensuring that your vegetables cook uniformly. Plus, the olive oil itself adds a touch of richness and flavor. Next, choose your herbs and spices. Fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, and oregano add a wonderful aroma and depth of flavor to roasted vegetables. If you don't have fresh herbs on hand, dried herbs work just as well. As for spices, a simple sprinkle of salt and black pepper is a classic for a reason, but don't be afraid to get creative. Experiment with other spices like garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cumin, or chili powder to create different flavor profiles. You can even try adding a pinch of smoked paprika for a hint of smoky flavor. Remember, the key is to season your vegetables generously. Don't be shy. One of the most appealing aspects of roasting vegetables is its incredible versatility. Once you've mastered the basic technique, the possibilities are truly endless. Roasted vegetables can be enjoyed in countless ways, making them a welcome addition to any meal. For a simple yet satisfying side dish, serve your roasted vegetables alongside grilled chicken, fish, or tofu. Their vibrant colors and bold flavors will complement any protein source beautifully. You can also toss them with cooked pasta or grains like quinoa or rice for a hearty and flavorful vegetarian meal. But don't limit yourself to just side dishes. Roasted vegetables can also take center stage in salads, sandwiches, wraps, and even pizzas. Their robust flavors and satisfying textures add depth and complexity to any dish. For a delicious and nutritious lunch, try layering roasted vegetables on top of a bed of greens with your favorite toppings for a satisfying salad. Or stuff them into whole wheat pitas with hummus and feta cheese for a flavorful vegetarian wrap. The possibilities are truly endless. When it comes to roasting vegetables, variety is key. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of vegetables to find your favorites. Each vegetable offers its unique flavor and texture when roasted, so embrace the rainbow and get creative. Root vegetables like potatoes, carrots, parsnips, and beets become incredibly sweet and tender when roasted, while cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts develop a nutty and slightly sweet flavor. Other vegetables like bell peppers, onions, zucchini, and asparagus take on a slightly smoky and caramelized flavor that is simply irresistible. Not only does incorporating a variety of vegetables into your diet provide a wider range of nutrients, but it also keeps your taste buds guessing and prevents mealtime boredom. Plus, the vibrant colors of different vegetables can make your plate look more appealing and appetizing. Remember, eating healthy shouldn't feel like a chore. It should be an enjoyable and delicious experience. Roasting vegetables is a fantastic way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet and make healthier choices without sacrificing flavor. In fact, you can even use roasted vegetables as a healthy swap for less nutritious ingredients in some of your favorite recipes. For example, instead of using heavy cream or cheese sauces, try pureeing roasted vegetables like cauliflower or butternut squash to create creamy and flavorful sauces for pasta or vegetables. These vegetable-based sauces are not only lower in calories and fat, but also packed with nutrients and fiber. You can also use roasted vegetables as a topping for pizzas instead of pepperoni or sausage. Roasted vegetables add a burst of flavor and nutrition without all the extra calories and saturated fat found in processed meats. By making simple swaps like these, you can enjoy your favorite foods while also nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to mean sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. At eGreen, we're passionate about empowering individuals to make healthier choices and live their best lives. We believe that healthy living should be accessible to everyone, and we strive to provide practical tips, delicious recipes, and inspiring stories to support you on your journey. We understand that making sustainable lifestyle changes can be challenging, which is why we've created a supportive online community where you can connect with like-minded individuals, share your successes, and find motivation along the way. Our founder, Saeed Mustafa, is deeply committed to promoting public health and well-being. His vision for eGreen is to create a platform that provides evidence-based information and resources to help people make informed decisions about their health. We invite you to join our growing community of health-conscious individuals and embark on a journey of transformation with us. Mastering the art of roasting vegetables is just one step towards embracing a healthier and more vibrant lifestyle. By incorporating more vegetables into your diet, you're providing your body with essential nutrients, boosting your energy levels, and supporting your overall well-being. Remember, healthy eating isn't about deprivation or strict rules. It's about making sustainable changes that nourish your body and bring you joy. Start by experimenting with different vegetables, flavors, and cooking techniques to find what you enjoy most. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen and try new recipes. The more you enjoy the process of cooking and eating healthy, the more likely you are to stick with it long term. The journey to a healthier lifestyle begins with small, sustainable changes. By incorporating more roasted vegetables into your diet, you're taking a significant step towards improving your health and well-being. Remember, every healthy choice you make, no matter how small, adds up over time. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep enjoying the delicious world of roasted vegetables. For more healthy living tips, delicious recipes, and inspiring stories, be sure to subscribe to our eGreen channel. We're here to support you every step of the way.